I like him.
That's cool. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you some stuff we got from the thrift store. It's mostly holiday stuff, so some Halloween and some Christmas stuff, because right now they put everything out and everything's been on sale, so we'll get started right now.
Alright, thanks.
Alrighty, so I actually got, this is some random stuff I got, but I got this little sleigh. I thought it was really cute, and you can paint it yourself. Abner and I have been kind of into like painting and doing some crafts. I guess that's what you do when you don't have a lot of friends in the state you move to. So, and then I actually got this picture frame for like 50 cents, so maybe we'll put like a little picture and maybe I'll paint some like mountains or something on it and put like a picture from like Yellowstone or something, I don't know. And then I got these baskets. I'm gonna hang them on the wall over our bed. I kind of have like a basket wall, so I thought they were pretty cool. I like to find some cool, unique baskets like that. And then here is some of the Halloween stuff we got. Just keep pulling it out.
This is my favorite.
So I'm going for kind of like a vintage look for Halloween. This thing just like sits. Whoops, hold on. It just like sits. It's so creepy, but it's so cute. And everything we got in all of these bags, the whole thing was $10. This is like a cute little clip for my hair. Abner wanted this, like
Always wanted to try it out.
a pumpkin carver. These lights, put those around. It's like cute little vintage. Well, probably not vintage. But this one I thought was super cool. It's like the
Feels
weirdest
like wipers inside.
texture. It's like a sandbag, but it's so cute. This thing's so, whoopsie. This thing's so creepy. It doesn't sit though. Whoops. It doesn't sit, so I don't really know.
This I love.
I thought that was really cute. We're gonna put like a little candle in it. Put it by the TV. Hang this somewhere. All of this stuff, like he pretty much just rang us up and then he was like 10 bucks. So Abner got some of these masks.
Look at that. Should I put it on?
No. And then another hat. It's like a wizard hat.
Yeah, it's sick.
We got some bats. I don't know how we're gonna hang them because our ceilings are so freaking tall. So I don't know where we'll put those. And then this little like skull head. And then I actually got some shirts in here. We can show the shirts.
Okay.
Everything I got from this thrift was 50 cents. So this little jacket I got for my sister because I'm actually headed back to Florida. And you know, I'm always thinking about her. We got this cute little American Eagle shirt. 50 cents.
Not bad.
Comfy. No, that one. This is just like a little Mickey shirt for when I go to Disney. I got this sweater for 50 cents. It's just like a basic black sweater. But, you know, you can always use one of those. I got this, it's like a green long sleeve dress, like an olive green. It's pretty. 50 cents for all of this stuff. And then just this, it's like a big gray comfy sweater for like winter. Winter's coming, which I'm excited for. So we got this from Goodwill a few weeks back. Oh yeah, so cute. So as you can see, I kind of have like a theme of like weird knitted, I don't know, just super like, I love stuff that looks like the original like Christmas or original Halloween. That's what gives me like the vibes. This little moose, all this stuff, let me see this. So it was $2.99 and then it was half off, so like $1.50 for that. Right? Did I do my math right?
Yeah.
This is so cute. I love that. I'm gonna like hang it on the door during Christmas on the inside of our door. It's kind of weird. We have like a policy where we can't really like put stuff on our windows.
I think these melted.
Oh, how do they melt?
That's kind of creepy.
Why is that creepy?
Look at that.
Oh man, they were orange candles.
Strange.
Oh wow. They're like
$2. Oh, $1.50.
they're like $1.
$1.
Yeah. I got these little, what's it called? What is it called when you make cookies? What are these things? Cookie cutters. It says it on it. Cookie cutters.
This I love.
This thing's so cute. So we're gonna have these little things all around our house. And then we got a Christmas tree.
Oh, we did get the unrated version of Dragon.
Oh yeah, we got Dragon to Hell.
Remember I showed you the other one that was unrated?
What's in here? Oh, Christmas cups. See how cute these are? Oh my god, that's so cute.
50 cents.
50 cents for that. What was I gonna say? Oh, we got a Christmas tree and it was half off, so it was a 7-foot tall, perfect fake Christmas tree, and we paid $13 for it. That's a really good deal. And I heard that in Vegas they don't have Christmas trees, so like real ones, like in Florida. Anyway, that's it. Kind of hoping this thing's not haunted. It was inside of a bag. I don't know, it's just creepy. Quick little run through of everything we did. Doesn't look that great. This is, you can tell when it's Abner's decorating because it's the weirdest placement. This is where he put the bat. Anyway, ghost. He wants me to shut up. You remind me of like a 10-year-old. Anyway, so we just put like little random, we're not done. We have yet to go to Spirit Halloween. They opened up a few of them around, but we haven't gone yet because I'm kind of saving that for like October time, something to do. If you're from Las Vegas, and you know of some cool Halloween things to do, let me know. My Halloween blanket. That's it.